Achama always has a story to tell. The great king, she says, as she sits to decorate the pokalam we made. We listen, but when our minds wander, she sits up and orders. Don't just giggle. Vegam ready ava. Now get all dressed up. In Munda and Kasava, we collect new memories. And she adjusts them while telling the tales of the old ones. One by one, people come. Everyone from the family. And some friends. Eagerly waiting for the mouth-watering sadhya she makes. Serving with her hands, she fills her heart. And then asks, Korchingodi, do you want more? Before the sun sets, she sits with us, smiling. So we can end the day with laughter that lasts. Just like our Nerolac Excel Everlast. Don't let the festivities go too fast. We wish you a very happy Onam.